Hey, what's going on guys, Perspective here, and in this video we're going to be building in the Antec VSK 4000E. The Antec VSK 4000E is a traditional mid-tower PC case featuring 3 optical drive bays and a single bay for a floppy disk or other mods like a memory card reader. The front panel I/O consists of 2 USB 2.0 ports, a headphone and microphone jack, a reset button, and a power button. Within the steel chassis, we have room for 4 hard disk drives, an SSD, a 120 or 80mm fan on the rear and in the front, as well as a graphics card up to 12.5 inches long. However, if you plan on using a larger graphics card for your build, you would have to sacrifice 2 hard disk slots, as you would be removing a bracket in order to fit one in. If you're looking for a solid budget case that's built to last without the fanciness of a clear side panel, RGB, or tempered glass, then this is the one for you. Now on with the time lapse.